Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss on robots and devices developed specially for COVID-19. This topic is a very important topic for any exam. We will discuss about the name of the device, its purpose and the developer of the device. First one, Suraksha. This is a microorganism decontamination box. This was developed by the Central Scientific Instruments Organization and AMESIS India. Next one is Ashray. Ashray is a medical bed isolation system. This was developed by Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. And the next one is Shuddh. This device is an ultraviolet sanitizer. This was developed by IIT Kanpur. Next one is Atma. This is an automated ticket checking machine and this was developed by Indian Railways. Next one, Optimizer. This is a microwave based disinfecting machine. This was developed by the Indian Institute of Toxicology Research. Next one, Germiban. This device is used to kill surface and air microbes. This was developed by Atal Incubation Center, ALIP and India Women Entrepreneurs Hub. Next one is GermiClean. This is a sanitizing chamber. This was developed by Defense Research and Development Organization. And the next one is Captain Arjun. This is a robot for screening passengers at railway stations. The full form of Arjun is always be responsible and just used to be nice. This was developed by Railway Protection Force, Central Railway. And next one is COVID-19 Warbot. This is a robot which helps in serving food and medicines to COVID patients. This was developed by Harjit Nath. Harjit Nath is a scientist from Tripura who won Young Scientist Award in 2018. Next one, CoRobot. This is a robot which helps in serving food and medicine to COVID patients. This was developed by Pratik Tirodkar. Pratik Tirodkar is an engineer from Thane, Maharashtra. Next one, UltraSwachh. This is a disinfecting unit. This was developed by Institute of Nuclear and Allied Sciences of DRDO and Gelcraft Healthcare Private Limited. Next one, Lumos. This is a multi-purpose decontamination device. This was developed by Devaditech Innovations, Kochi. And the next one is Navrakshak. This is a breathable PPE kit and this was developed by Indian Navy. Next one, Railbot. This is a robotic device to help hospital staff and this was developed by South Central Railway. Next one, Sundaram Ventago. This is an automated respiratory device. This was developed by Sundaram Medical Foundation and IIT Madras. Next one is Parak. This is a mobile microbial containment lab. This was developed by DRDO's Defense Food Research Lab. And the next one is Swasthvayu. This is a non-invasive BiPAP ventilator. This was developed by CSIR, National Aerospace Laboratories. And next one is Dhruvs. This is an ultraviolet sanitizer. This was developed by Defense Research and Development Organization. And the next one is COVID Kavach. This is an antibody testing kit. This was developed by National Institute of Virology, Pune. Next one, UV Blaster. This is an ultraviolet disinfecting tower. This was developed by Defense Research and Development Organization. Next one is ECOVSense. This device detects antigens in human saliva. This device was developed by National Institute of Animal Biotechnology. And next one is Atulya. This is a microwave sterilizer. This was developed by Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Next one, HCARD. This is a robotic device to help frontline health workers HCAD full form is Hospital Care Assistive Robotic Device. This was developed by CSIR, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute. Next one is Rudar. This is a mechanical ventilator. This was developed by IIT Bombay, NIT Srinagar and Islamic Institute of Science and Technology. Next one is Karmibot. This is a robot which helps to serve food and medicine to COVID patients. This was developed by Asimov Robotics, Kerala. Next one is Nightingale 19. This is a robot developed for serving food and medicine. This was developed by Vimal Jyoti College of Engineering, Kerala. Next one is Wardbot. This is a robot which helps to serve food and medicine to COVID patients. This was developed by IIT Ropar. And the next one is COVSAC. This is a COVID sample collection kiosk. This was developed by Defense Research and Development Laboratory, DRDO. Next one is digital stethoscope. This helps in listening the heartbeat of the patients from distance and helps in social distancing. This was developed by IIT Bombay. Next one is Charak. This is a mobile doctor booth. This was developed by Coach Rehabilitation Workshop, Bhopal under West Central Railways. Next one, G1. This is a low-cost ventilator. This was developed by Indian Railways. And the next one is MOM. It means multi-feed oxygen manifold. This enables one oxygen bottle to supply oxygen to 6 patients at same time. This was developed by Naval Dockyard, Visakhapatnam. These are the important robots and devices designed for COVID-19. I hope this information is helpful for you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.